5 pentatonic shapes, and these are distributed all over the world. But in order not to forget them, you need to master some portions. That is the reason for these exercises. Hey, take your guitars and let's go. Starting from the A shape of C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In the A shape. Then in the G shape. In the E shape, in the D shape, and in the C shape. I'm not using cutaway, I'm struggling to play. Yes. So it is a must learn for every student of the guitar, because I see the pentatonic scale as one of the most important scales. If improvisation is your target, is your goal. Yes, that's the truth. Okay. And after you've mastered these 5, then you should try to pick some important shapes and use them as your own, almost any time, every day. For instance, in the C shape, I can just pick La, Sol, Mi, Re, Do, La, Sol, Mi, Re, Do, La, Sol, Mi, Re, Do. Is that true? I just practice that. It's so broad, so wide, so you have to pick certain shapes that you can easily picture with your eyes. So here is then in the G shape too, I can also pick it's so broad, so wide. You can try practicing using just the notes on the first 3 strings. So in the A shape, go to the D shape, come to the E shape, the D shape, then in the C shape, I should have used a cutaway guitar, but for the sake of teachings. Anyway, then you can make certain riffs or important rhythms. That's a pentatonic lick. These are the rhythms, the chord progression. Or you can create chord. You see, so learn this, take your time. I can also play them horizontally, like. Enjoy. And in case you are looking for one-on-one Zoom lesson with a pro, hey, where else are you looking at? Look no further. Pick the numbers on the screen. Give me a call and let's do it. Yes, you've got to change. You've got to move from your level to a different level this year. All right, I'm waiting for you. Yeah, in case you haven't subscribed to this beautiful channel, you are losing a lot. What are you waiting for? Please subscribe and leave your comments. Don't forget to share. Bless someone with this beautiful thing and you will be blessed. The same way I'm blessing you. All right.